Hi guys, I am Dr. Muhammad Tahir. Welcome to Pollution Control and Reaction Engineering Laboratory. Today I am going to explain procedure of experiment number 6. So objective of this experiment is you have to investigate the lab scale production of biodiesel from palm oil. Scope of this experiment is you will have to investigate the reaction between the methanol and palm oil in the presence of sodium hydroxide catalyst. So at the same time, you have to determine the effect of catalyst loading on the synthesis of biodiesel. So before starting the experiment, let me introduce the apparatus and the chemicals. For biodiesel synthesis, we will use the chemicals methanol, and then we have the palm oil. So for the glassware, we have the beakers, the three different sizes of the beakers. You can use the 1 liter or 500 ml. Then we have the separating funnel. This one we will use to separate the biodiesel from the glycerol. Then we have the two hot plates. So one hot plate we will use to measure the temperature of methanol and other for palm oil. So for biodiesel experiment, the procedure is the following. So number one step, we will add methanol 100 ml in a beaker. So in the second step, we will use the catalyst, the sodium hydroxide. So this catalyst, how much you will use depend on your proposal. So we will use maybe 0.5%, 1% or 2%. So after that, we will mix this catalyst, we will add up in the methanol. So for the mixing of the catalyst with the methanol, we will use the magnetic stirrer. So this magnetic stirrer, we will put the solution to the hot plate. So then we will mix this one at normal temperature so that we can get the methanol and sodium hydroxide mixed together. At the same time, we will start the second stage, the palm oil. We will add in 1000 ml beaker, add the stirrer and magnetic stirrer, and then we start stirring over the hot plate. So once the temperature reaches to 60 degrees centigrade of the palm oil inside the beaker, because in this setup you see we have the thermocouple to measure temperature. So we can monitor the temperature until it reaches to 60 degrees centigrade. Once it reaches to 60 degrees centigrade, we will add methanol solution with the catalyst inside the palm oil. So you see when we add inside the palm oil, you see you will get the different layers or the mixtures. So this mixture will continue to stirring at 60 degrees centigrade for around 30 minutes, so that you will get there is a color is going to change, that indicates there is a production of biodiesel. So after 30 minutes, once the reaction has been completed, we will add this mixture to separating funnel. So you see in separating funnel, initially you will see the same phase because biodiesel and glycerol, they are all mixed together. So when you add all the solution inside the separating funnel, you have to keep some time for settling. So after that, you will see there are two different layers. The bottom layer will be glycerol and the top layer will be the biodiesel. So finally you see here the bottom layer is very clear, glycerol. The top layer is biodiesel. So when you see there is the two clear phases, then you have to use the outlet of this separating funnel, and then you can separate the glycerol from the biodiesel. You have to add up the biodiesel inside the measuring cylinder, and then you have to calculate the total volume of the biodiesel that has been obtained during this reaction. In this experiment, we have collected around 470 ml of biodiesel. So at the end of this experiment, you have to prepare lab report, and for this one, you have to calculate the yield of biodiesel from the information you are getting from the volume of the biodiesel you obtained during the experiment. That's all. Good luck.